What's going on, guys? Today we'll be showing y'all probably my most requested video in the last like 6 months, which is a grits carp bait. I'm gonna show you how to do it. This is a recipe I've always used, so we'll see how it goes. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, we're gonna get into it now. I'm gonna show you the way I do it. My recipe. It's the easiest way I know how to do it. Of course, you can make it with cream salt corn. You can make them with just water. You can make them with just flavoring. But this is for the basic, out of the gate grits. No, anybody can make these. So it's going to end up being 24 ounces of instant grits and 12 ounces of quick grits. You want to use half quick to whatever you use in instant. So if you use 20 ounces of instant, you want to use 10 ounces of quick. Quick is your breaker, instant is your binder. So if your bait is ever not breaking up fast enough, put quick in there. If it's breaking up too fast, put some instant in there. And that's how you fix it from during the different types of weather and stuff like that. But first we're gonna go with 24 ounces of instant, which is 6 cups if you got a big box. 6 cups is 24 ounces of instant. Then we're gonna go with 3 cups of quick. As our breaker, like I said. Doesn't make any sense. That didn't end up being right, but it's right. 3 cups, 6 cups of instant, 3 cups of quick. That's it for the grits part. And then just mix it up. Make sure it's good and mixed up. Then I'm going to use I'm probably going to use this whole thing, I'm not sure, but I'm not going to add all of it because, as you know, you can always add to it. You can't never take it out. So this is, there's been a lot of rumors going around saying that I'm not truthful with the flavors that I'm using in my videos, which I'm not denying may or may not be true, but as you can see, this is Concord grape.
Why you always lying?
Putting some syrup in there. It's just corn syrup. It's a 16-ounce bottle. I'm gonna put a little over half, probably 3/4 in there to start off with. Like I said, you can always put in, you can't take out. So give that a good mix. And the flavor I'm using today is Lake Monsters flavor, which I will leave their Facebook stuff, and I think their phone numbers on there too. You can message them on Facebook or whatever, and get their flavors. They're real good people, so they'll take care of you. Just tell them I sent you. All right, now. See, that's not quite packing, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the, well, I'll probably put half of that. Or we'll just put the whole thing. We'll just say a whole bottle of syrup. Now this will last a good while. It'll definitely last the weekend if you're fishing with it. But if it does start to dry out a little bit, not packing, just add a little bit more syrup. But these grits are only going to soak up so much syrup. So it might get to the point to where they're not soaking up. So then you have to make some more. But usually this batch right here, if you're fishing all weekend, or if you're, one night, if you're catching fish, you're going to throw it. So. As you can see, it looks good. Nice yellow color. Make sure you get all your dry spots. You don't want anything dry in there. Then obviously that's not going to pack. But like I said, your instant is your binder, and your quick is your breaker. Alright, so we'll let that sit for about 20-30 minutes, and I'll come back, show you guys breaking up. Alright guys, as you can see, this stuff looks good. It's a nice yellow color. A lot of these kind of off, but you can see it's a nice yellow color. It's been about 15 minutes. It should be set up good by now, but we're going to check the break time now, see how it is. Alright guys, it's been about, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. We'll check the break time on this stuff. Just wet your hands a little bit, you know, before you pack anything. This stuff feels great. It's packing awesome. It's packing like a rock, actually. You can throw this stuff a country mile, I promise. Alright. Check the break time on it. Alright, and the key to, or any giveaway to carp bait, usually if it's bubbling, it's breaking. That's how, you know, I was taught as younger, you know, if carp bait, if it's bubbling, it's breaking. So as you can see, that's bubbling. You can already see it breaking. We'll see how long it takes. It shouldn't take no longer than a minute. Obviously, if you pack it harder, it's going to take longer. Alright, now let's get back to it. It's 24 ounces of instant grits, 12 ounces of quick grits, and a bottle of syrup. And obviously flavoring, which was about 2 ounces. But, and it's literally that easy, y'all. Like I said, if it's breaking too fast, put instant. If it's not breaking quick enough, put quick. You know, that's how you kind of balance it out. Now, there's lots of other ways to make it, like I said, but this is just how I make it. You see, it's working fine. It's working great. But if you can, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it, guys.